Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing any case so you can access edges. This prevents liquid from pooling. Next, lightly dampen a corner of a clean microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol or a screen-safe cleaner mixed 1:1 with distilled water. Do not soak. Now, with gentle circular pressure, wipe the screen from the center outward to lift fingerprint oils. Once done, flip the cloth to a dry side and buff until streak-free. Make sure to keep ports closed. You continue by targeting edges, ports, and crevices where oils hide. Use a dry cotton swab or a soft nylon brush to dislodge grime. Compressed air on low can help but keep distance. If fingerprint smears persist, dampen the swab slightly and rework the spot with controlled pressure. Never scrape. For phones with a screen protector, carefully lift one edge and clean beneath with the same microfiber method. Reapply or replace the protector if bubbles or permanent marks remain. You finish by giving the display a final dry buff using S-shaped motions with a clean microfiber cloth to remove streaks and restore clarity. If fingerprints return quickly, consider applying a certified oliphobic treatment or replacing a worn screen protector to reduce oil adherence. Those treatments change how skin oils spread. If streaks persist, let the screen air dry completely and repeat the cleaning steps once. If cleaning still fails, check for permanent coating damage and consider professional replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.